Hello and welcome back. How's everybody out there doing today? Of course, you know that I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to be unboxing a box that I'm receiving for the first time this month, and that is the Lash Me Monthly box. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in this month's Lash Me Monthly, stay tuned. Before we dive into this box, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about Lash Me Monthly. It is a monthly beauty subscription box where you receive 3 pairs of lashes each month, personalized to your particular style, and 3 full-size beauty products as well each month. The cost of this box is $21.99 and the shipping is free, and it says that it has a value of at least $70 each month. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what I received inside of this month's box. Now the box was shipped to me in this little box here that says Lash Me Monthly on the front with a whole bunch of little eyelashes on it. When we open the box up, it's packaged like this. There's nothing on top there, just packaged like that. So let's see what we got. Okay. The first thing I'm seeing on top is a little card. It says, "It's a holiday blast, let the party begin." And then on the back, it tells a little bit about each of the products that are inside of the box. I'll flip that around real quick so you can see. Okay. The first thing I'm pulling out is the 3 pair of lashes that are come in this box here. These are really pretty. Big, but pretty. Okay. And on the card it says, 3 pairs of personalized lashes. Each pair of lashes are handcrafted and personalized just for you. Wearable up to 25 times. Oh wow, that's great. So you can wear these lashes apparently up to 25 times if you take good care of them. I'm not going to take them off, but I am going to go ahead and open it so you can get a better view. Those are really pretty. I was looking to see if the lash had a particular style name, but I'm not seeing anything on the box unless I'm just missing it, but I don't see anything. But those are really nice, and the box is nice and firm so you can store your lashes in there. So this is really nice. And it says the value of the lashes is $14. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is a Mellow Powder Blush. This is a really pretty color. I've never heard of that brand though. Okay, and on this it says, "Get a gorgeous glow with this soft sheer blush powder. Blends easy into the skin for a silky finish and it's free of parabens." This color is really pretty. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Let me go ahead and do a quick swatch on my hand here. And that's what it looks like on my hand. It's really pretty. It looked more coral. No, I guess it is kind of pinkish. I was going to look more coral to me in the package, but that's just me. I'm half blind. No, that looks more pink. But it's a really pretty color. I'm not sure how well that would look on me. I could probably make it work with the right combination of makeup. But it's really pretty. Very, very pretty blush. And like I said, I've never heard of the Mellow brand, but I like this color. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. The next thing I am pulling out of here is from Tarte, and it says H2O Gloss, so I guess that's a lip gloss. And it looks almost like a hint of purple in there. Yeah, it does look kind of purplish to me. Okay, and let's see what it says. It says Tarte Cosmetics H2O Gloss. Give your lips some liquid courage with this ultra lacquered ocean nutrient rich mini gloss. It's easy to carry in your pockets or evening clutch, perfect for party time. Okay. I'm trying to see if it has a color on it. And this is in the color Room Service. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. Well, that's pretty. Look at that. That's very pretty. This is it right here, and it's in the color Room Service. I really like that. I can definitely see putting that over a lipstick or even wearing it on its own. And the texture, it is a little sticky. It feels a little sticky on my hand, I will say that, but it's very, very pretty. Okay, and the value of this, guys, is $10. So the last item in the box that I'm pulling out is Mini Pro Palette from Beauty Creations Volume 4. And that's what that looks like. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These colors are stunning. It does have a mirror, which is nice. And look at those colors, guys. Those are absolutely amazing. It's so bright, vibrant, and pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. The colors just make me happy. It just make me really happy. I love the brights. Look at that. That's without the little plastic on it. Those are really, really nice. This is a beautiful palette. So let me go ahead and swatch a couple of these colors for you. Oh, where to start? Where to start? Okay, it looks like some of them are kind of satiny or shimmery. So I'm going to do a couple of each. Let's say I'm going to go with the brighter colors on here, guys. Let's go with this color here. I'm going to swatch. It's Spoiled Rotten. I love that, and that's a matte. So let me see how that looks. Oh, look, that's how it looks on the finger. It comes off pretty well there. So let's see, Spoiled Rotten. Okay, that's Spoiled Rotten. It swatched pretty well. That's a beautiful, beautiful color. I love this. I love it. Okay, the next one I'm going to swatch is, let's do Miss Bossy, because this is a color that can go right along with Spoiled Rotten, and this looks more of like a satin, like a satin or a shimmer. I'm not sure which. Let's see, when I put it on here, I'll know. Definitely looks like it has a little shimmer to it, and that is Miss Bossy right there. That is lovely as well, and I can actually see pairing those two up together. Let me show it to you in the palette. That's that color there. And I think I'm going to swatch maybe the purples. I'm going to do this one and I'm going to do this one. The first one is On the Rise and the other one is Simplicity. So I'm going to swatch those two purples for you. Wow, these purples are really deep. Look at those. The first one on top is the On the Rise and the other one is Simplicity. Those are beautiful. These colors are really beautiful and they swatch really well. I hope they perform as well on the eye. I'm definitely going to be playing with those. I love this palette. Love it. And the price of the palette is $16. So the total value of this month's box is $52, and the cost of the box is $21.99. So you definitely got more than double plus some of the money that you spent on the subscription. I do remember seeing somewhere that the box is valued at like $70 plus. But I did find that information online, so it could be some old information. Like I said, the value of this box is $52, but I absolutely love it. I think the products that came inside are really nice, and I do still feel like I got my $21.99 worth, most definitely, in the palette alone. I think that palette is absolutely gorgeous, and I know that it'll be something that I play with. What do you guys think of this box? Did you like it? Do you not like it? Do you receive it? Do you think it was worth the $21.99? Let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are on this. If you're interested in learning more about Lash Me Monthly, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box below. But guys, that is everything that I have today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.